Hello, 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 beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone's doing fine. Uh, I hope you guys have had amazing trading week, and I'm just gonna give you some insights and some market update on uh, on some pairs as well as Bitcoin, gold, and GBP, JPY. Uh, all right, so we have some important data coming out today. Uh, we have GDP. So what is basically GDP? It's basically gross price index, right? So what does it mean? How may it affect the market, and eventually how can we tackle this, and can this be good for us market wise? So first of all, let's have a look at British pound. Over here, what we can see is a clear-cut move to the upside. From the last 4 days, we've been increasing, and it can be a start of a very good thing if only if the GDP does not come negative. If it comes negative, there can be a big move to the downside, and I'm expecting, I'm expecting, I'm expecting the markets to move somewhere in this range from here. So, but at the moment, looking at the market structure and looking the way the market has moved in the last 4 or 5 days, it's very unlikely. Okay, let's dig deep into our analysis, and let's have a look how we can uh, we can expect the market to move. All right. So the most important area for the market to break is this level, just this level. It has to open a candle above this level, which is 192.952. So by one candle, I mean 4 hour candle. Uh-huh, 4 hour candle. If this market is able to perform this, it will be a very good move towards the upside. And from there, we can be really, really bullish in British pound yen. So, what can be our targets? All right. So, this is our initial target. And as you can see, Gbpjpy has been in a downtrend of late. But if this level, if only if this level is broken, which already seems like to be compromised, then we can expect upward movement from here. However, we have two scenarios. Market always presents itself, and there are always two scenarios in the market, right? So, in 2 hours' time, almost 2 hours' time, we'll get this data of GDP, and depending on that, the market is gonna move in a direction, right? All right. So, if we have a look at the 4 hour chart, so when the market came down here, it was supposed to break this low at a local time. However, it took liquidity from down here and has been moving up ever since, right? So, what we can expect from here is maybe a pullback. Maybe a pullback down here. But if these levels are broken, we expect the market to go down here straight away. But if it contains here, and we form a structure somewhat of this scenario, then we can expect to move upwards in this direction, but it will take some time. But these data are very important for markets to have a clarified view. However, these news events are meant to be manipulative. They can have moves in market we did not expect. So it is very much possible that it wicks somewhere down here, and from here we can expect a move like this. Or if it cannot contain this level, we are expecting the market to go down here. But depending on the 4 hour chart, And from my experience, I believe if if the market does not close in below this level, which is 191, then we can expect upward movement from here, and this would be like a start of an uptrend for me. If we have a look at a weekly chart, the weekly chart shows us something very beautiful over here. Okay, so there is a formation of a double top from here. So the only hindrance for this market is to complete the structure within 2 days, meaning today and tomorrow, because on on Saturday the market is closed, obviously. So it has 2 days to clear this level, and on a longer term we can expect actually the market to go somewhere about here, which is, I think, the all-time high, right? Yep, it's the all-time high. So there are two scenarios here now, either a downward movement or upward movement, depending on how the market reacts today. And the only resistance for this market is somewhere about here. And if this happens, it's going to be really beautiful. I myself, I've longed Gbpjpy from 18188, and I'm expecting upward movement. But if we can have a look over here, there's something like fair volume gap over here, which had its effect, and we are seeing a reversal from here. So we just need to have a look now how the market's going to react today. But I'm expecting good things, and from the market structure and the resistance it's showing us, I expect an upward movement, and I've given you my analysis for that. All right, let's have a look at BTC now. Haven't analyzed it myself, so let's just have a look at BTC, and let's see what we can expect over here. All right, so very good and beautiful signs for BTC over here. Right, so over here we have a great support, somewhat this shape. But if we have a look, 1 2 3 4 5, this level has been tested 5 times. Yeah, and if we have a look at the structure of the market, right, what is it showing us on daily? So if we have a look, the market went up here, yeah, formed somewhat of a double top, yeah, this was the confirmation, yeah, comes down, goes up again. So today is very important. If this double bottom over here is fake, I consider the price to be moving down towards 91k. However, the situations right now have been very improved, and we can consider that we might get a reversal from here. However, it should contain this level. This level is very important. If it's not contained over here and we don't have a candle above this, I consider this to be a start of a downtrend of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So we should be very careful before we invest anything in crypto market at this point, because it's at a very crucial level, Also, if we have a look over here, this was our initial high, right? Initial high. And if we have a look at this, it has a lot of specification over here. What are the specifications? The specifications are that when the market moved up here, yeah, let's just consider this body candle to be the high of the market, right? So market comes back up here again, takes a lot of liquidity, moves downward and takes liquidity from here. However, this place is still compromised. This liquidity is still not taken. Yeah, this liquidity. But if we have a look at 4-hour, I was thinking of something very important over here. See, market had a very great drop from here, but even after taking so much liquidity, where around 1.3 trillion liquidation had occurred somewhere about here. So when market came up back again, it was supposed to open a candle up here. However, that did not happen. Yeah. So that's the reason we've been in a sideways market ever since. And if this would have occurred, yeah, that the candle would have opened uh, above this level, then we would expect the market to move even higher. But I felt like that even taking out so much liquidity from the market over here, the market continued to move down from there. Yeah. So over here, it's like an invitation. Yeah, an invitation of a upside move. Yeah, and people would be expecting this to be an upside move. However, if if only if we don't have a structure formation from here, we are going down here. It's very much possible. It's very much possible because right now the only resistance in the market is this level. Yeah, this level. And if this is broken, then I can say that easily we will be looking for an upside move, and maybe we can take out all-time high. But this resistance is very important, right? And we gotta look how the market reacts today, and depending on that, you can either go long and short. But if we have a look at this level, the rejection it has taken, the rejection, yeah, the rejection it has taken, meaning this. I have a setup of some sort which I'll be teaching later on in my live sessions, uh, and we can consider how to trade these levels, because sometimes people expect that the market is gonna form something like this on a 4 hour and then go down. But rather, sometimes what happens is that it does not form something like this but goes down directly from here. Yeah, it's like a trap for people to consider that, all right, it's going to form a double top and then it's going to go down. However, that's not the scenario sometimes. It's a different picture, and maybe if you guys are interested, we can talk about that in the later videos. All right, so that was a brief market update for you guys. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and you guys learned something from it, and the way I'm analyzing the market, maybe it will be helpful for you, and maybe you can benefit from it, and it will be a great privilege of mine. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below in the video. Also, I'm new to this YouTube thingy, so if you guys would like me to maybe share some trade videos, or like the trades I've taken, or show you some records of my trades, I'd be doing that in the future. I'd be sharing my progress with you guys, as well as I would be really happy to hear back from you guys. And if there's anything, any pairs you would want me to discuss, any cryptocurrencies or altcoins or whatever you guys want me to analyze, I'd do that. Just mention down in the comments. I'm really grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a really nice day, and have a beautiful trading day.